Thomas. This is Vinit and welcome to my channel Think in Java. Today we are going to discuss a main scenario for the Spring Managed Beans, that is the factory design pattern for the Spring Managed Beans. We can normally do factory design pattern with the normal Java classes, but how we can achieve it with the help of Spring Managed Beans, we will see in this video. So let's start this.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
So factory design pattern is basically for creating the objects. So in the normal Java, you can directly do the new instances of the classes and directly get the whatever, depending upon the name of the implementation, you can get the instance of the object. But in the Spring Managed Beans, what happen? The properties are injected and you cannot directly do the new instances of the classes. So how you can achieve it? So there are many ways with the help of which we can achieve it, but I will discuss here a simple way with the help of which we can implement the factory design pattern for the Spring Managed Beans. So just let go through with it and we can directly jump into the example. So here you can see that this is the normal factory. So we have discussed in our previous video. You can check the previous video for normal factory design pattern, in which we have what we have done. We did here. We have created the new instances of every algorithm depending upon its name. So if it's add, then new instance of addition algorithm is provided, and so on, like subtraction, division, and multiplication. But what will happen if these classes are the Spring Managed Beans? For example, like this. So I have created one class like Spring Addition Algorithm, and it have one dependency validator, and it is a component. So it's a Spring Managed Bean. So if I will do like this in new Spring Addition algorithm, then this will not work because the property injected into this class will not be instantiated by this new. So what we can do? So here I have taken a simple approach. What I have did in factory, this is my new factory for this Spring Managed Beans. What I did here, I have taken the list of algorithms which I have. For example, I have Spring Addition algorithm and Spring Subtraction algorithm, which are implementing this interface. This interface have two methods like get algorithm type and apply algorithm. So here you can provide your basic functionality or contract which you need to provide your algorithm. So in algorithm class, these are the implementation of this Spring algorithm. So I have just taken the interface or list of the interface, and what I have did here, I have just taken a map of string and Spring algorithm. It means it will take the name of the map and also the its implementation. So but how we can populate it? So we can populate with the help of this @post construct. What this annotation will do, whenever this Spring algorithm factory will initialize, after the initialization it will populate this map with the help of this list of Spring algorithms. So suppose there are 4 algorithms here, or in my example I have 2 algorithms. So these 2 algorithm list will be iterated here and it will be put into this map with its name. So I have just put it here, algorithm dot get algorithm type. So get algorithm type will give the name of the algorithm. So for example, here you can see that name of the algorithm is addition, here is the subtraction, and so on. So this will be the key of the map, and its implementation, that is the main algorithm instance, which is a Spring Managed Bean. It will reside into the value of the map. So in that way we have populated a cache kind of map which will contain a map of name of the algorithm and its implementation. In that way I have one provided method, that is get algorithm. So whenever with the help of this factory we will call this get algorithm method, it will directly give me the instance of this class depending upon its name. because I have passed the name, and whenever the I will put the request of this algorithm type from this map, then it will give me the implementation of that algorithm. So suppose there, if it has the addition algorithm, then it will give me the instance of algorithm. And if it is not in the map, then we can throw any error like that, no algorithm found for this name. So this is my algorithm factory. Now how we can use it? So I have just taken simple example here, and here you can see that in the algorithm factory, I have called the get algorithm method. I have passed the addition, and after that addition, I have called the apply algorithm method. And in apply algorithm method, it has the implementation of apply algorithm. So it is addition, so it will perform addition. It is subtraction, then it will perform subtraction. So here you can see that with the help of this, I have achieved the kind of factory pattern. So we can test it, and we can check whether it will work or not. So just let's start our application. So I have just made it a Spring Boot application, so we can directly test it with the help of some web services. So I have just created a Spring Factory web services for this. So just go to the Postman, and we will put our URL here, that is Spring Factory, and we will hit it. It is successfully 200. Okay, now we can check what is the result in the console. Okay, so you can see that addition is 15. So depending upon that addition type, it has performed the addition, and subtraction is -1. So depending upon subtraction name, it provides its subtraction. So in same way, you can provide many algorithm or many implementation you want. So it is kind of working as a factory design pattern for Spring managed beans. So that's for this video. And if you like this video, then please like, share, and subscribe. And also in the future coming video, we will go through this kind of technical talks. Okay, thank you so much for watching.